sick on him, go you tell that. We, but I get a error there out of the cellar warning to Israel. Not that we tell that do below up by Silapo, warning to Israel, that do below Sue by Silapo, no. But then Mala, that their high sick on a metal, a crab about sick on a betambulo, but cropatu patala betambulo, that do below, that later up a tamu, no. This is mean is very important to us and very important to other peoples. We are the believer because of the warning about something we doing. Was not good thing. This means that the gods prepare something about to telling us is a very important. At the end of the seventh day, the words of the Lord come to me. Now, pagkatapos mala tala agutani, no, agutani nui thoughtanini, no, the word of the Lord come to me. No, pagkatapos the word sitanamida takatu, le pagkatapos ma Hesu kasao, no, Hesu kasao Hesu yo, no, Son of man, pagkanyopo kwa no, I have made you and a watchman for the house of Israel. Watchman sitan kwa twera. No, Pacanola quatrera by Isla po hippocoponelong, no? Awaiting but thinala to hear the words I speak and give them warning from me, no? From me, sit down in leisure home, no? From me, no? See you, no? When you meet no? So, no? Hear the words, no? Pacano ma cannot takaluway, do yek I speak, no? Yekatuta. Do pagkatino mala and give them warning from me, no? Do he away the do pagkatino mana duplo niam, no? When I say to the weak man, no, wicked man sit down and not tell when payakatuta love pagkatino masu wala papa opa toti the pa ni, no? Pagnyolo toti the pa ni, no? You will surely die, no? Pagkatapos mana nani aware yamite pa patane ke nani negaba thir patelo. You will surely die, sida nani negaba thir patelo, not tera pane no. Leta no kutaro, no. And you do not warn him or speak out to discourse, no, but discourse, no, dissuade him from the evil say in order to save his life. Pagkatapos mala discourse, no, Leta no katu tu pu play da, katu pu play no. Pagkatapos mala you will surely die and you do not warn him. Not the blow with the bado, pagkatapos mala or speak out to dissuade him from his evil way in order to save his life. Pagkatapos mala na the below oba, not the below oba, don't to katuda o pagkatapos mala no. Katu hato, no pagkatapos mala pwa asama katu hato pwa asa le awe mata le evil ways that le clear to pu do pagkatapos mala in order to save his life, no. Pagkatapos mala akama pu play anokasa asa, no. Pagkatapos mala thus wicked man we die for, no. Away ni pwa opa thor guy ni awe ka thiwe ago no. His sin le anokasa ra atade balo, no. And I will hold you accountable for his block, no. Do ye ka hi khawara, no. Do ye ka hi ye ka dua ho, no. Pagkatapos mala no. No, le akrata duba, no ta loto, akrata luba ta loto sidana accountable, no, for his block, no. I will hold you sina yekapalo, no, pagkatapos mala. Awe akraba ta loto, le atui le na supu. Pagkatapos mala we understand about the gospel. We don't tell him other people, no, this is the God, the Son of Man that maybe God's people, okay, we don't warning them, we don't say them. This is the God will hold to you and accountable for his block. Exactly, no? Let them go permit take a tour about permit to take up on it when it meet a three taba palo kilup supumano, kakiro talo tolupa, pogo. When it meet up what I the mystical, we don't tell him, no permit to tell one, no? But if you do not warn the wicked man, and he does not turn from his no pretend mala back no basana kiro if you do not warn no name to do pelova name to do pelova no name to do pelova the wicked man and he does not turn from his weakness or from his evil way no name to do pelova do pretend mala pa pa thor gani no awet khak we saba do pretend ma no le ata to puba do pagana for his evil way le a clear to puba do no pa sort gan mit kakwi a clear ta to puba do he will die for his sin no away ni mitala no away ka tira la pagana ata de ba no but you will have saved yourself no pagana ma away ni na mapu plan ka sata filo no Nimit table no if you want let them when nimit table no nimit table when the mapu plan like safa no nimit table when it tat deba kalobal na kota hiluma no when it tak wata kesikolo the hand of the Lord was upon me there no pagina mana you are assuming hello ba no pagina mana hello balu yellow and he said to me no await no get up and go out to the plan no pagiten ma the setter do hato wera su no ta le pagiten ma la ta ra ta ke tit pha ne ki and there I will spoke to you no leni yeketu ta na no so I get out and I went out to the plan no penino you get settled or you su takate to palo and the glories of the Lord was standing there no away the glory talakapo no kasa no talapo kasani away settled with penino standing there no life the glories no logade do talakapo I have seen by the Kaba river no when you tira no you tira la Kaba and I feel no fade down no panning on me down no when a lot killer you meta then I spirits no the spirit come to me no panning on that so she have you own and raise me to my feet no away to set a no he spoke to me and said no the awake to yaro siweda di no go save yourself inside your house no away ne pagitena mala le no sara wasu nahipu no nahipu and you no do na son of man bang your pokwa they will tie and the rope you will be bound so that you cannot go out among the people no pagitena ma awade ka shkhana no bikhana khikhana le pije phani lo no away ni pagitena ma le pa sha do sha no ne ba lo pa sha do sha no away no you will be no ne ba pa sha do sha da with it no away ni pagina so they cannot go out among the people no no with it the phani no pagitena ma you cannot go out no among the people do di to ne tu kwa thwe da pa kanyo ti phari awan ni lo I will make your tongue stick to the roof of your mouth no pretend mala yekama wada na pli le logadi to no ki no dobna to the roots le pretend mala no do talk like pretend mala logadi to lo he cool no he cool to and learn the talk no so that you will be silent no do blane nane ne tek tu ta la ba awan sector nane ne tu ta la ba no and unable to be refused then no Talo reviews the sitane no. Pagitano malo tuki thokita unable no. Unable to be reviewed then. No when I net tuki thokita laba no. Thus they are the rebellion's house no. Where did the party me body parlor a todu toda tapra tapra no. He call put it parlor todu toda tapra tapra no. But when I speak to you, no, person pay yekatuda on nani, no, I will open your mouth, no, yeka oron nakopu, no, nataku, no, yeka oron taku, and you say then, no, don't negative with it, no, negative with it. This is why the sovereign laws say, no, talo sovereign is sidani, me, no. Pain meta la pala adukata kasaraga no paiten ma kasaraga siwera no whoever will listen let him listen no wa tir pala edo dukana tani no dukana and whoever will refuse let him refuse okay wa tir pala edo wala la dukana wani okay do out no for they are a rebellion's house little kuda a wetin the pane me poated pala a todu toda pala hipu hopolo a todu toda tani no get because sukumuta la patamu punila takani metalo warning to Israel when you metala tadu pelora no tadu pelora paisa poted pane no pala at a dugana pala ted or dugana mani dugana away in no meta terminal no per cropatu patala patamu pelera per pamarani no get really double the tower collected no away in meta terminal per patu patala patamu per lera no per umumatwe per general per dugana yogluta but the dugana yogluta takwata kedo okay. We want to listen to gospel. We don't want to listen. This is okay. That's fine. No, when it whoever will listen, no, listen. Let him listen. No, whoever will refuse, let him refuse. No, for they are rebellions house. Now let them go out with it. Panami party follow a toda hippo. For example, hippo copy follow toda. Okay. That's fine, okay? God bless you. May God take care of your household and then God will with you, no? More saya ora tu do more saya keleta da tu lo tu tamu punir ke do yika ki lo kine lo no. I will come back later. Thank you so much, my brother and sister. No, we will see you later. No, Wayne, you can read them best there in the EZEKIEL. No, EZEKIEL chapter 3, verse 16 to 27. No, you can read it best. No, when it made dollar we just a said do not the a support to see who to look kissing in law, no, get pack walk you lift it down no. This is the right thing or not the right thing, no. When you can read it by yourself and then you will know exactly how to feeling by yourself. Okay, thank you so much, my brother and sister. We'll see you later.